On page 22, we learned the A, B, and C notes and how to read them. The open A, 2nd fret B, 3rd fret C on the A string, the 5th string. And we saw that the A was written on the 2nd ledger line under the staff, B right underneath the ledger line, and C was on the ledger line. We used Joshua Fought the Battle so that we could play our scale right away. A, B, C, D, E, 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 D, 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 E, E, E. Climb up the scale again. A, B, C, D, E. Drop from E to C, then back from C to E. C and E are notes in the A minor chord. So while we're using that scale, we're going to run into that interval a fair amount, jumping from C to E or back. And we'll be doing that in Snake Charmer again. So hopefully you've been practicing it from Joshua. Several little items I like to use in this song to get better at it right away. Same thing as in Joshua, we look for our scale first. So I'll have you see that the first 3 notes go up the scale, A, B, C, and then they come right back down, B, C. As always, without trying to memorize, I can see the pattern and I can spot that scale as I move stepwise. A, B, C, B, A. Then I start to repeat it. A, B, C. So you get A, B, C, B, A, B, C again. So you hear it starting again. That would be a good amount to practice. If I had you read those first notes, you may only want to play A, B, C at first. A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay, come back down. A, B, C, B, A. Try that again. Okay, start it again and end with the A and B at the end of that bar. A, B, C, B, A, B, C. That's pretty handy. I'll jump the gun with you right away and point out to you that what happened in this pickup note again, this is beat 4, 1, 2, 3, then 8th notes on beat 4, occurs here. At the end of the first bar of line 2, we have our A, B, C, B, A, B, C. So as we've done before, I would play with the student very often where I'd let them play that amount. As soon as they're finished with that, I'd pick up and play the rest. So we'd count to 3, 1, 2, 3, and start on 4. And then I'll say the notes during the student part here. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, B, A, B, C. So right there again, you've got a good portion of the song accomplished with minimal reading, A, B, C, and coming back down. That bar in a little bit reoccurs at the end. It's really nice to see these repetitions. Now I would practice where we jump from C to E in bar 2. A hard move is to go from B to C now. C, E, B, C. We've been trying to practice playing on our fingertips. So E would be on your fingertip, and then B in the same fret on the next string, also a fingertip. That's actually not going to be that convenient here. One thing that we like to work on guitar is called the finger roll. If I'm playing a B and I need the E, instead of picking it up and moving to my tip, I'll just lay that finger down, or if your finger buckles, well, you could buckle it. I want to kill the B as I move away and land on the E. When you've practiced a song enough, you can do that in reverse. I can see that I'm going to have an E and then a B. So I'll put the E down in a flattened finger form and then roll it back onto its tip for the B. You're not going to get that very often on the first fly through, but when you've seen it for a while, you can practice that. So I'll go C, a flattened finger on E, rolling to the B, and back to C. As an experienced player, you might actually step in and catch that B with a different finger. C, E, pointer on B. prepared and practiced, that's probably how I would play that. Notice I've worked over and over and over again on those 4 notes to get a feel for them. So now I could include them in your playing. A, B, C, B, A, B, C, E, B, C, A. Might as well get that A on there. That's a nice chunk. That's exactly how the song ends. So I've marked those off as a phrase with a phrase marker. That's that curved line under all of them. So if you got a handle on those 12 notes, you can play them at the beginning and the end, and I can play the middle stuff again. Again, I'll name the notes as the student plays. I haven't told you yet, these are 8th notes. We've talked about them a few times. There's 2 of them in beat 4. So we count 1, 2, 3, and when we get to 4, we play 4 and 2 quicker notes. So it's 8ths, quarter, 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 8ths. I haven't been talking about it because I'm letting you hear them. You'll get the feel of the song without really worrying about those 8th notes at this moment. You just know how they sound from repetition, and you can relate what you're seeing and hearing together without working on that counting right now. We talked a couple lessons ago about counting, so this is a song you count out, but at the moment I want to get the feel for it without having to do that. So here's your part again with me naming the notes. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, A, B, A, B, C, E, B, C, A. I take over. A, B, C, B, A, B, C, E, B, C, A. So I give you a good chance to get a feel for that. Count-wise, it's 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. You could copy that after me. 4 and, you say 4 and. 1, 2, 3. You say 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. You can hear the beat of the song. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. So we count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Now I take you to the next bar. I'm picking up again. The theme of the song is often encapsulated in that pickup note right off the bat. So we have the same kind of theme. We're picking up on beat 4 and. Have you name those notes and identify them? C, D, E. Okay, we have a scale again. What's the next note in the scale? C, D, E, F. Notice you have that. We're going up. C, D, E, F, E, D. So we go up the scale and back down. C, D, E, F, E, D. Oh, except I do a little tap dance on those E's. I do 3 of them. So it's C, D, E, E, F, E, D. C, D, E, E, F, E, D. So with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and C, D, E, F, E, D. Are you recognizing the scale there? We're getting the same ideas we had in Joshua, walking up and down the scale. At the end of that line, I have you figure those ones out. B was under the ledger line. C is on the ledger line. So we're going to go B, C, D's. So that's going up a scale. B, C, D, E, D, C. Up and down the scale with a tap dance on D. Oh, guess what? It's the exact same motif, just lowered a note. We did it first, going up from C to D to E. Now we do it from B to C to D. Very, very helpful information when you're trying to read a song, to see where the ideas are repeating. This is the exact same situation, just lowered a note. So we went C, D, E, F, E, D. Now we repeat it down 1 note. B, C, D, 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 E, D, C. I'll repeat that. B, C, D, 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 E, D, C. B, C, D, 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 E, D, C. Try them both. C, D, 3 E's, F and down the scale. Start on B, 3 D's, E and down the scale. And then we're at your pickup to the ending. A, B, C, B, A. So what looks like a very complex song actually becomes fairly easy when you see 2 or 3 ideas that are at work. The main thing in this one is we're learning to count our 8th notes. We're seeing the scale in A minor, and we're watching how the notes climb up and down. I'll count this one out now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Notice all the 4 ands are climbing up. A, B, next bar, A, B, next bar, C, D, next bar, B, C, then A, B. So we do A, B, A, B. Then we have our motif working its way down. C, D, B, C, A, B. So there's always going to be a nice, interesting, repeating pattern in music. The more you can find them and the more you can visualize them, the more your ear will actually recognize them as well, and you'll be able to play by sight and sound. Here it is one last time. A, B, C, B, A, B, C, E, B, C, A, C, D, E's, F, E, D, B, C, D's, E, D, C, A, B, C, E, A, B, C, E, B, C, A. Lastly, I want to cover the chords in this. When we did all our primary chord charts and we got to the key of A, we found out that A's and D's and E's go together as 1, 4, 5s. The 5 chord can be a dominant 7, so A, D, E7, A. In Joshua, we saw that A minors can go with E7s as well. Even if we switch the chord and the key from A major to A minor, it usually wants its dominant 7 on the 5 chord. So A minors to E7s. This song's nice because we've seen primary chords are 1, 4, and 5. In this song we have the 1, 4, and 5 in the minor key. A is minor. Move up a string and squirt that note out. D is minor. A minor again. Go down a string. For E, remove the ring finger, E7. So in most minor keys, the 4 chord will be a minor. Very often it's substituted. The E should have been a minor as well without substitution, but here we're using the dominant 7 because we want a 5 chord with a 7 on it, a major quality and a 7 on it to push you back to the A minor. Just in case you don't remember them well, I've written them in there again. All of this information would actually be written on your sheet. I would even write something there to show that we had that C, D, E, 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 F, E, D part going up and down, copied a note lower from B, C, D, 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 E, D, C. So here are the chords then in A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, E7, D minor, A minor. Repeat now. First bar of A, E7. I think that's all you need to know about that one. Catch you guys later. Bye for now.